Greetings everyone, my name is Isaacs and welcome to my first vlog. Now today I'm going to be talking about my setup, specifically the case. If you want to know what I have in the system, stay tuned because I'll be water cooling my entire PC soon. Anyways, let's talk about the case. Now this is a Phanteks Enthoo Evolv ATX. It is a beautiful case and it works fine if you're air cooling it. But as soon as you put a radiator on it, it's got a problem. Both the top and the front of the case is covered with solid panels. Air can only get in and out in the little gaps on the side. To prove it to you that it is the design problem, as soon as I take off the top panel, my CPU temperature dropped 10 degrees C. So my solution is to mod the top and the front panel so that it can get more airflow. The modding is complete. So what do we learn from this? First of all, use appropriate tool. The tools I was using were Dremel, circular saw, drill, and some files. The problem with the circular saw is that it creates a lot of heat due to friction. If you're cutting too close to the previous cut, the stripe will expand and bend. What I did was every time we make a cut, I would set the panel on the ground, stand on the edges, and spray water on the panel. Having the spray bottle is very nice because it will cool down the part and the tool very well.
Damn. I know, right? The freaking steam coming off.
I'm running out of water now.
I know, right? Water cooling the case first and the whole PC.
I know, right? Gotta learn to read and then read to learn. Second, use appropriate protection. Now, Kai and I were both wearing goggles, but we do need masks because it creates a lot of metal dust while cutting. Also, metal shreds will hit your face at very high speed. Gloves would also be nice to have because we are handling electric saws. So, in conclusion, is all of this worth it? Well, if you already have the tools, then yes. If not, then either find professionals to do it for you or simply buy a new case. It took me 3 whole days to finish all of this modding. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Special thanks to Kai for helping me with the modding. And also stay tuned for my entire system water cool building log. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!